Make it right. Real-time data to transform manufacturing. Tom is the production manager at Weebutt's Diapers. Every morning, on his drive into work, he thinks about new ways to improve production. If he hasn't had a late-night call about an emergency during the night shift, he drives to the factory blind to the day that's about to unfold. And sometimes he gets a nasty surprise. But if Tom could have real-time data available to him 24/7, he would always have absolute clarity as to what was happening across the whole factory. This could save the company hundreds of thousands of dollars annually. This granular line-by-line information from new and legacy production machines, presented in a personalized and optimal format, could tell his team where problems were and the actions to take so they could fix them before issues arise. Any notable events and real-time alerts that occur while Tom is fast asleep would be highlighted, and he could review them for additional analysis before he even gets to work. With this insight, Tom could reach his scrap reduction target. Next time on Make It Right, using real-time data to maximize the morning meeting.